Welcome back to the Automobile. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or simply in the market for a rugged and reliable SUV, this model promises to impress. Let's take a closer look. First up, the design. The 2025 4Runner sports a bold new look with its redesigned grille and sharper LED headlights. Toyota has updated the body to be more aerodynamic while retaining its classic rugged charm. You'll notice more pronounced wheel arches and a more aggressive stance that speaks to its off-road capabilities. Under the hood, the 2025 4Runner comes with the powerful V6 engine, delivering impressive performance both on and off the road. Toyota has also introduced an advanced all-wheel drive system and an improved suspension setup for better handling and comfort. Safety is a top priority with the 4Runner. It comes equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense, including features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These enhancements make it one of the safest choices in its class. Of course, the 4Runner's true strength lies in its off-road prowess. The 2025 model includes an upgraded multi-terrain select system and an enhanced crawl control feature, ensuring you're ready for any adventure. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota 4Runner starts at around $40,000, with higher trims reaching up to $55,000. There's a variety of options to choose from, including the SR5, TRD Pro, and limited trims, each offering a different set of features to fit your needs. Overall, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner is shaping up to be a strong contender in the SUV market. With its blend of rugged capability, modern technology, and improved comfort, it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new adventure vehicle. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe,